Welcome to this presentation. My name is AINUN NUHA and today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic in English, word formation. Word formation is the process of creating new words in a language. It helps us expand our vocabulary and communicate more precisely. In this presentation, I will explain the main type of word formation in English along with some clear examples. Let's begin. What is word formation? So, what exactly is word formation? Word formation refers to the ways in which new words are built from existing words or parts of words. There are many types of word formation in English, but the most common ones are 1. Derivation, 2. Compounding, 3. Conversion, 4. Clipping, and last blending. Now, let's go through them one by one. 1. Derivation. The first type is derivation. Derivation is the process of adding prefix or suffix to existing words to create new ones. This means when we add a prefix or a suffix to a word to create new one. Prefix is added at the beginning of a word and suffix is added at the end of a word. For example, happy becomes unhappy by adding the prefix "an". Create becomes creation by adding the suffix "tion". Derivation is the one of the most common word formation process. 2. Compounding. The second type is compounding. Compounding is when we combine two or more words to form a new one. This means joining two or more words together to make a new word. For example, we have tooth and brush. We get toothbrush, black and board, blackboard. The new word usually has a specific meaning that's different from the individual word. 3. Conversion. Next is conversion, also known as zero derivation. Conversion is when a word changes its grammatical class without changing its form. This happens when a word changes its part of speech without adding anything. For example, the noun Google becomes the verb to Google. The noun text becomes the verb to text. The spelling stays the same but the word class change. 4. Clipping. Clipping means shortening a longer word without changing its meaning. For example, advertisement becomes ad, telephone becomes phone. This is often used in informal or casual English. And there is type of clipping. 1. Front clipping. For example, telephone and there is phone. 2. Middle clipping, refrigerator, and there is fridge. 3. Black clipping, for example, advertising ad. 4. Complex clipping, for example, influenza, flu. And the last, blending. Blending is a mix of two words taking part from each. This means combining two words into one, for example, breakfast and lunch, brunch, smoke and fog, smoke. These blends are common in everyday speech. I have question, Miss. How does word formation help expand vocabulary? Okay, thank you, Anna, for your question about how does word formation help expand vocabulary. For the answer, by learning how new words are formed, we can grasp the meaning of unfamiliar words and create new words ourselves. Are you understand? English creates new words in many creative ways through prefix, suffix, blending, compounding, and more. This word formation process helps the language grow and adapt over time. By understanding them, you can improve your vocabulary, spelling, and comprehension. Thank you for watching this presentation and I hope it was helpful. See you next time, guys.